Madam Glam is officially in their year of giving, and I say this because this year they are giving me everything I could have ever asked for. Madam Glam just dropped their new March collection, the Pot of Gold collection, and this was a collection that I had wanted last year. Last year, their March collection was a pastel collection. I think it was the House of Bloom. I was looking forward to a green gel polish collection, and this year, that's exactly what they gave us. And I'm so excited. Also, they recently brought back their gold gel paint, which was off their website for forever, so that's back in stock. They launched a new rose gold gel paint as well, which was beautiful. I actually have it on my nails right now, but they are just giving us literally everything we could possibly want, everything I've been wanting from them. And then they released a cat eye collection, and you guys know I'm gonna be reviewing that one as well. I love cat eyes. I've been wanting Madam Glam to come out with more cat eye gels, so I'm so happy that they did that. Now, Madam Glam, Diana, if we could get a glow-in-the-dark gel polish collection, my life and my Madam Glam collection would be complete. I would not need anything else after that. Glow-in-the-dark, please, sometime. That would be amazing. But like I said, you guys, Madam Glam just dropped their Pot of Gold collection, so I'm gonna show you how beautiful this green gold gel polish collection looks. And then of course, we're gonna create a quick St. Patrick's Day nail set. Oh, before I get into that, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe. Also, I will make sure to link everything in the description, of course, as well as my discount code. If you are wanting to save 40% off your purchase, it will be down there. But let's go ahead and check out these colors. All right, so this is this month's Pot of Gold collection. This is Madam Glam's March collection for 2024, and like I said, this is the collection I thought we were gonna get last year, but we didn't. So here it is this year. I'm so happy. It actually comes with 3 of those diamond formulas that was in last collection, like the super smooth glittery gels, and then 5 creams. So beautiful. Let me show you all the swatches for these. This is the entire Pot of Gold collection. This diamond formula that they have, this formula is amazing. I love this formula so much because you get so basically like full coverage glitter. It's not chunky at all. It's like the finest glitter ever. It's beautiful. I love this formula so much, and I would definitely recommend it over a glitter formula. But look at how beautiful this collection is. This is exactly what I want in a March collection. I'm dying for these greens. And you know what, you guys? It's so hard to tell, but there are very fine glitters in this color here, which is Blessing. Very fine. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it when there is a flash. If there's not a flash, it doesn't look like it's even there. And I'm actually kind of like wondering if that's what these little dots are for, because on the label, I think you can see, yeah, there's little specks in there, but when you look at the actual gel, it's not there. Like, you don't see any specks. So I thought it was gonna be a speckled polish, but it's not. But yeah, so this is the Pot of Gold collection. I'm in love with this. Wow, great job, Madam Glam. Like, you guys are seriously killing it. You guys are always keeping me like obsessed. So I haven't created an actual nail set in a hot minute. I'm gonna do that today. So let's see what we can come up with. All right, we are going voiceover mode for this part. So we're gonna take 3 of the nails, which are the thumb, middle, and the ring fingers, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm only going to show you how I do it on one nail just to save some time in editing, but I'm going to go in with 2 coats of Blessing as my base,
and we're gonna do aura nails. So it's not really necessary to do this step, so you don't have to if you don't want to, but I just decided to go ahead and matte top coat this so that way it'll be easier to do whatever nail art I decide to do. But once that's done, I'm gonna do an aura nail using the darker green first, which is Good Luck. I did 3 coats of this, making sure to cure between each coat until I built it to the opacity that I wanted it. Once I finish with that color, I'm gonna go in with this next green, which is called Little Secret, and I'm gonna do 3 coats of this color right on top just to give some dimension within that green. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful diamond color called Shamrock Glow, and I'm going to make 4-leaf clovers in the middle of the auras. So just using a dotting tool, this is what I prefer to make hearts. It's just the easiest for me. I'm just going to make 4 hearts in the shape of a clover and add the little stem afterwards. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now. For the other 2 nails, I'm just gonna go in with 2 coats of 24K, which is another diamond gel, and I'm gonna keep these simple. These are gonna stay plain gold. Of course, I gotta throw in some charms, so I have these really pretty green like diamond bows that I'm gonna add by the cuticle here. Of course, I'm gonna be using my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm gonna add this to all 3 of these nails. At this point, I thought I was gonna be done with these nails, so I went ahead and top coated it, but in the end, you will see that I did add a gold border around the nails using 24K, but I just didn't show that because that was like a super last minute addition. But as you can see, I'm going ahead and top coating all of the nails now. You guys know that I like to do my thumb for short form content, so if you want to see how I did that, just check my TikTok and Instagram. But this is the final nail look. So easy. You guys saw how fast that was. The most time consuming part about it was making the aura, but other than that, such an easy nail set, and it looks gorgeous. Like, this is a stunning nail set. I'm so happy with the way it came out. The greens and the golds are just, this looks rich to me. So I hope you guys like this nail set. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you again so much, Madam Glam, for sending me this collection. Make sure you guys check them out and check the description for my discount code. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.